right, so now we're going to continue on. We're going to have some unique problem sets here. So the first is going to be an equation that has no solution. So if I look at it, it's very similar to the previous problems. I have constants on the left and the right, and I have variable terms on the left and the right side of the equation. So if I wanted to solve this, I need to use our inverse operations and collect my like terms. So right now, my like terms are this negative 4x and this negative 4x. So if I want to gather them together, I'm going to add a 4x on both sides. And when I do that, that will cancel, and it will give me 3 equals negative 7. And then I have negative 4x plus 4x. That cancels as well. So what I'm left with is an equation that says 3 equals negative 7. And that is not true. 3 does not equal negative 7. This is a false statement. When you get a false statement, there are no solutions. There is no value that we can put in for x that is going to make this equation be true. There are no solutions to this problem. In example 4, we have a similar setup to before as well, except here we do have to do this distribution first. So let's go ahead and take care of that. And when I multiply 4 times 3 halves, I'm just going to do this off to the side here. When I multiply that, remember, you can always think of 4 as really 4 over 1. So when you're multiplying, it's 4 times 3 over 1 times 2, or 12 over 2, which equals 6. So when I rewrite my equation here, I'm going to have 6x plus 4 equals 6x plus 4. And you should notice right away that the left side is equal to the right side. But we can still go ahead and solve this because it may not always be like that. But again, I want to gather my like terms. So if I subtract 6x on both sides, it's going to cancel, leave me with 4 equals, this cancels as well, 4 equals 4. This is a true statement. So for this, there are infinitely many solutions, or oftentimes we just write many solutions. That means that no matter what value you put in for x, the statement is always going to be true. If I put in 1, I'm going to get 10 equals 10. If I put in 2, I'm going to get 16 equals 16. I'm always going to get a true statement. There are infinitely many solutions. And the abbreviation for solution is SOLN, is how I like to abbreviate it. There are many solutions. So there's a couple problems here for you to try on your own.